What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Rob's house. It is super early. It's 4:45 in the morning right now, but we're headed to Harper's Cars and Coffee. And if you've been to Harper's before, you know you got to get there early if you want to get a good spot. Both events got canceled last year because of COVID, so I expect a huge turnout today. The weather's supposed to be nice. It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna go meet up with GT3 Taylor and Christian and Lee. And then we're gonna go meet up with the rest of Tennessee Drivers Club and head over to the show. Let's get moving.
On Instagram, ladies and gentlemen, GT3.Asian has arrived.
What's going on?
Morning. How are you?
Good.
I put it in stealth mode before I went to bed last night so that I didn't have to piss my neighbors off too badly when I left this morning. Oh, was that Christian? Oh, sending it?
Good morning, you two.
Morning! Oh, there he is. Everybody's here. Fashionably late as always. All right. We managed to get here and park together. There are a lot of cars here already. We're kind of in the middle of the lot, so the front section is down that way, and then we're maybe like halfway through the lot. All of this will be full once everyone gets here. It is currently
Dark 30.
dark 30. Can't even see my watch. It is currently almost 6 o'clock, but we got everyone together. All right, now it's light enough that we can see what the heck's going on. Vivian's car, my car, BK's car. We didn't really try to organize by car. We just kind of all filed in. Lee, Rohe, Christian, and Taylor down here. So we got 2 full rows front and back of Tennessee Drivers Club. We all filed in together. Connor's car, New Shelby, Chesney's Supra. We got Matt over here. Carlos, Tyler, obviously Jelly. Somebody's chopping over here. Pomps' car. I love the chassis mounted wing. I'm doing the TTC walk around.
Oh, nice.
Last but not least, Brock's Callaway. I missed it. That is loud. Holy crap. GT3 RS?
Yeah.
In purple. I haven't seen one in person in that color.
I've not seen that in real life either.
That was cool. We got Porsche Nation over here. That's Aaron. Where's his? Oh, his Huracan's right behind it. I'm blind. He gets to park with the cool kids.
Yeah.
We don't get to park with them.
Yeah, but we can outrun them.
We can, yeah, we can outrun.
If we want to.
Bivens is the one talking shit, Aaron.
That's me, baby.
Let's go through Exotic Nation over here.
Good. Good. I got a black one.
Oh, this Ferrari. He's bold. It's still kind of wet out. I guess it's not raining, so he'll be all right. Aaron's car. Aaron's other car. Aaron's over there. We'll say hi in a minute.
I knew the battery was getting bad on it.
There's not. Everyone's still filing in, so not too many people here yet, but we're getting there. I actually haven't seen this purple in person yet. It looks really nice. Ooh. Little 720 action over here. I wonder if Derek's coming later with his. Every time I turn, Nick's there.
I'm always here.
You're always there,
right
dude.
behind you.
I saw 720. I was like, I have to capture this. I wonder, is Derek coming later with his?
I don't know. I forgot to text him.
Aaron's over here parked with the cool kids.
I'm the peasant over here.
His, hers. I don't know when he snuck in, but Shay's here. Does look good. Gloss Nation. There's Nathan. Chop, 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 chop. We're going to get coffee. There's no coffee at Cars and Coffee, so we're going to Starbucks. Should be sick, but I need caffeine. Corvettes get to be in the cool kids club now?
For the C8.
Yeah, that's what I mean. The new ones. We're not cool enough.
Nope, they're not letting him in. You're not cool enough to be in here.
C8 still don't count, I guess. He's like, seriously? He's kind of pissed, honestly. Little Rari action. That's gorgeous. I like the wheels too. Saw Nathan pulling in before, but here's the Z06. Got Taylor's old wheels on it. Looking good. Looking good.
That's Miami.
That's Miami blue, yeah. Oh, this guy was at the hub too. It's McLaren. 720 has appeared. Is this Doug's car? We should have got a Type R, but she wouldn't drive stick.
You could get to the baby deliveries much quicker. Selling point.
He's right, you know, Kayla.
Selling point.
He's right. You could speed a lot faster to to birth.
It's like that red one that had the clear roof at the...
That was sick.
That's
That thing was
I
badass.
mean, I'm
Yeah.
sorry, but it's badass.
No, I was all about that thing for sure. I mean, dude, like the factory wing on these things is ridiculous. I love it.
It's by far the best looking Honda that they've ever.
Definitely. Definitely. Yeah, this is like stock. And this is what it's awesome.
Looks good.
Little Gen 4 action. I just love Vipers, dude. I don't know why. As usual, Jeep Nation doing Jeep things, parking on top of each other.
Yeah, we were there.
The old school Saline. Hell yes.
I always remember seeing the white ones in the convertible that had the like roll bar or like
Yeah, the styling bar, yeah. Like that.
Cool looking car, yeah.
Like that, yeah. I was so distracted by the Viper before, I didn't even notice this.
Yeah,
It's a T-Rex.
Parked right next to it.
Badass, dude. Oh, yes.
I don't know why I thought it would be bigger.
I mean, it's a 1500, like
Yeah, I just thought it had
full size.
a little bit more size to it. The
Full size
fenders,
cab, and then like, you know,
I like
short
that.
bed, yeah, fender flares out, yeah. They're nice, man. It's very nice. Because posted up. We got a little bit of a crowd by our cars. I'm gonna get the drone in the air, check it out. $1,400 wheel horsepower, he says. And I believe him. I believe him. I heard this thing roll in and it sounded mean. JJ!
No, we rolled there.
What's that? Is that our car? What's that? You want to vlog? Oh, tell the vlog. Tell the vlog. What is it? What's Corvette sound like?
Doo-doo.
Doo-doo. That's right. All right, guys. I'm back home. Harper's was a blast today. It was absolutely packed. Massive turnout, as you saw on some of the drone shots. To anyone who I got to talk to, it was awesome meeting everybody. I saw a lot of people taking pictures of the car. I hope everyone enjoyed it. All of us will be at the other Harper's events this year too. There's, I think, 2 more of them scheduled, so we'll see you there. As usual, I hope this video is entertaining, and I'll see you guys next time.